Good morning, everyone. I hope that you can hear me well. If you do so, please make a reaction. Thank you. Welcome to today's webinar on Fanvil Hotel Communication Solutions. My name is Usama, and I will be guiding you through how Fanvil products ecosystem is helping hotels to modernize their communication infrastructure. So from the front desk operations to guest rooms, management centers, and beyond that. In this session, we'll cover the architecture of a complete hotel communication system, the Fanvil H series hotel phones for different room categories. We will see also advanced Android LTE devices like V76 and V78 for smart integration. We will see some real-world application and how to adapt the solutions to your needs. And this webinar is designed to give you a brief practical insight and deployment ready knowledge. So let's get started. The content of this webinar we will see first the product overview, and then we will highlight the features and the configurations on our hotel phones. Starting with product overview. Let's take a look at how Fanvil's unified communication system is seamlessly integrated into the hotel environment. So starting from the front desk, we have both wireless and handheld devices for mobility and desk-based call stations, ensuring receptionists can handle internal and external calls efficiently. So moving to the management center, this area is equipped with a visual paging master station for announcements and Android LTE phones for mobility, and also radio over IP gateway for integrating radio communications and server for system management and call handling. All these devices are connected over the LAN, ensuring real-time communication across the hotel. Now let's look at how the rooms are equipped. We have premium rooms, feature standard guest rooms, phones, including options for color display and modern design. We have luxury rooms, go a step further with the Android LTE phones and higher-end guest room to provide advanced functionalities. We have budget rooms, are kept simple with traditional guest room phones. In the bedroom, we offer one-button calling panels for emergencies or concierge services. And we have in public areas, corridor phones and paging terminals are deployed for announcements and emergency calls. We have staff communication, which is supported with wireless handheld devices and talkie-walkies for quick and flexible coordinations. We have the office area, includes business phones suitable for the administration and support departments. We also have innovative solutions under other categories such as hotel delivery robots, which can be integrated into communications. It's connected through the LAN, while the connection to the cloud IPBX, which may be hosted at the hotel headquarters or in the cloud, links hotels to other branches via WAN. So this allows for centralized call handling, inter-branch communication, and streamlined management. This comprehensive setup ensures efficient and scalable and modern communication within hotels of all sizes. Now let's explore the Fanvil H series. They offer customization, fast charging, helping hotels to advance in their digital transformation. Let's look at the product lineup. We have the H1 and H1 to wire budget room. It's ideal for budget rooms with a simple and reliable design. We have H2U, a compact wall-mounted model used in bathrooms and corridors, available in multiple colors. We have the white colors, the red, and the black color. We have the H3, the H3W, designed for superior rooms, providing a balance between functionality and style. And we have H4W or H4, also for superior rooms. We have H5W, targeted for luxury rooms. We have H6W, which is another great fit for luxury rooms, offering a modern Android-based experience. And finally, we have the H603W, which is perfect for executive suites featuring a touchscreen interface and premium design. These models allows operators to tailor the font choices to the room level and ensuring consistent brand experience across all guest categories. Here the V76 and V78 are Fanvil Android LTE phones and, terminals, and featuring a 3-in-1 modular design, which has a detachable smart device, magnetic dock, and Bluetooth handset. Sorry. The support of Google Play apps offers an open interface, making them ideal for developers and system integrators. These devices can be deeply customized for vertical markets like offices, hotels, and healthcare and trials, and manufacturing and warehousing. Hmm. I have the Fanvil H4 and H6 series hotel phones. So compared to H3 and H5, the H4, H6 models support dual band Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi 6, offering better performance in busy environments like malls and hospitals. So these are the difference between these two models. And they support the OPS codecs. They have HD voice, and the features a 3.5 inches screen. Let's see the features and configurations. Have the network deployment configuration. We can we can provision the Wi-Fi configuration via our W611W or W610W, and we need to ensure that the firmware are updated on our devices so we can use this feature. So Wi-Fi sharing can be done via the W611W. It's this phone's the Wi-Fi phone pushes the SID credentials once it is connected and the Wi-Fi sharing function is enabled. And once you boot up your devices, your hotel devices, they can get the Wi-Fi configurations from the W611. So you don't need to configure that on the phones or manually set that on the phone. You just need to configure your Wi-Fi phone to share the Wi-Fi credentials to the hotel phones. So alternatively, the H4W, H6W can connect to a predefined SSID and later receives provisioning data for the actual office network configuration. So you just need to ensure that you have on your network Wi-Fi SSID with SSID named Wi-Fi device SSID and the password as shown on the screen. And once the unit is powered on, it will connect automatically to this known SSID, which is pre-configured on the phones on the firmware. So these are you can see also the firmwares that supports this function here. After checking the configurations for the Wi-Fi, let's see the faceplate customization. So you can get clear information on your devices that does not have a screen. So Fanvil offers online tools to personalize the phone's faceplate with custom auto icons and branding. This enhances the guest experience, as mentioned, and you can easily know which buttons link it to each service. The customization can be accessed at this link. So faceplate tool, if hp faceplate tool.fanvil.com, and you can customize your design and print it and then integrate it to your devices. Here we'll see then with the phones that features a screen, you can customize the background, and here is the background format supported by each model. So the models H5, H5W, H6W support customized backgrounds in BMP format, allowing hotels to brand their devices visually. We have the dimensions, and we have depth of colors or color depths. We have the format, the RGB supported colors, the file name, which does not have any limits, and the file size, which can be up to 1 megabit for H5 and H6. And we have the pixel per inch. So to upload the background image, you can just go to the phone's web GUI and go under System Upgrade and upload your background image. This can also be done via auto provisioning, which we will see afterwards. Here we need to mention that phones are programmable for direct room services, so wake up calls or cleaning using a single button, making it user-friendly for guests. As mentioned before, you can just uh, customize the faceplate, you can customize the background, and you also can customize or configure your buttons on your phones. So here is how to configure them. You can go to the function key on the web GUI DSS key, then configure your DSS keys as needed. You have the emergency, you have the receptions, you have order, MWI, etc. So it depends on the hotel services. You can configure these buttons under the web GUI. These icons can be also customized on the phones with screen. You can change the icons to the one that you need with your hotel services for and the branding. Here is the icon format and the information supported by each model. You have the model H5. You need to have the file name. Before uploading these icons, you need to rename them based on the services that they offer. And you have the pixels. You have also the file size that should not exceed 5K bits on the H5 and 10K on the H5 and H6W. So to upload the icons on the unit, you need to access also the web GUI and then go to System, Upgrade, and upload your icons into the list here. So each button can have a dedicated image file. You need to rename them and then upload them here. For boot logo, so boot logos are supported for H6W in GPG format, allowing hotels to show branded content during startup of the devices. Or the boot logo can be uploaded under web GUI, systems, upgrade the boot logo upgrade, then select the files for the image, and then upload it. And the unit will apply these configurations once it is rebooted. And to mention that only one boot logo file is supported at a time on the H6W. The H6W model supports a slideshow of up to 5 images, ideal for hotel promotions or ambient display. So this can be set up on the screensaver so to attract guest attention and boost hotel revenue. Uh, Here is the information for the screensaver. So here is images must be in BMP formats and 320 480 resolutions. So it's ideal for advertising hotel services or promotions. As mentioned, you can update image via auto provisioning. All visual customization files can be auto provisioned using TXT, XML, or NC formats, reducing the need for manual uploads. So here is the parameters for each for the upgrade or for the image updates. The AP mode, the access point mode. In AP mode, the phones acts as a Wi-Fi router. This simplifies deployment, especially in areas without wired infrastructure. You can say this offers flexibility to adapt various scenarios, supporting scalable network solutions, and offer your guests more easy and helping them to connect to the Wi-Fi efficiently. Here, how to configure this mode. It can be configured on the web GUI, under network, Wi-Fi settings, and configure AP. You can enable this and set the Wi-Fi name, the secure mode, and the password. And you can also see the number of connected devices. Let's see the sleep mode on our devices. The sleep mode dims or turns off the screen at night to avoid disturbing guests. Calls and events are still received normally, of course. Here you can set the backlight's inactive level. If it is set to 0, this means that the screen will be turned off. So guests can wake up to the phone by pressing any buttons or lifting the handset. Phones support display some messages on the screen. So phone can display welcome messages, instructions, or auto information directly on the screen. You can configure that under phone settings, advanced auto general info, and custom display. So the message fields can be configured via the device interface or files. Here to get the IP address of the phone, you can just long press on the pound key on the screen models. The IP will be displayed visually as you see here. So once you press the pound key, long press it, the phone will show its IP informations. You can also access the menu of the phone by pressing pound star 107. From here, basic settings can be configured directly on the phone. I think we have reached the end of our presentation. So thank you for attending this Fanvil Auto Solution training. So for any technical questions, deployment support, or integration guidance, feel free to contact us. And we are always happy to help. You can contact us via ticketing system or via our email support@fanvil.com. And to summarize today's session, we introduced the Fanvil, unified communication solutions for hotels, covering how devices are deployed across different hotel zones. We explored the H series hotel phones, the H1, H2U, H3, H6, H5, and these solutions offer scalable communication, better guest experience, and integration with the PMS, PBXs, and soft phone platforms. So I will thank you for attending this Fanvil Hotel Solutions training. For any technical questions, deployment support, or integration guidance, feel free to contact us as mentioned.